It's 11 degrees here at Ossia. The kachori we had last evening in Rohat was with a dal filling. This is an onion kachori. It has a filling of mashed potatoes and onions. Around Bangalore, the poha we get tastes slightly different. This expressway has been constructed in the midst of many such dunes. पहली बार रेत में बनी हुई एक चाय टपरी में चाय पी रहा हूँ. So after coming inside, we got to know that videography is allowed. We took a receipt for that. हमारे यहाँ होता क्या है, कहीं पे कोई स्पेशल काउंटर बना के बैठे रहते हैं कि ये ले लो. यहाँ पे पकड़े गए तो हमको रसीद मिला. It's 11 degrees here at Ossia, and this Sri Karni Palace and Restaurant. This is where we stopped last night. It was a very long and arduous drive from Hitesh village to this place. We reached this hotel at around 10 o'clock, 10:15 last night. After the kachodis we had at Rohat, we did not have anything because neither of us were feeling hungry for some time. Of course, right now Hitesh said that he went, after checking in last night, he went down to have some pulao. So he's still sleeping. I just came out for a walk. I have this habit of rising early, so I couldn't keep my eyes closed after 6. A very peaceful town actually, you know. Last night I was just reading up about this town of Ossia. So this used to be a major trading hub apparently in the Gupta period. And also ruins of Hindu and Jain temples dating from between 8th and 12th century are still around, and those form a major part of the tourist attraction in this town. So quite a few people I think frequent Ossia to visit these ruins, apart from the other Jain and Hindu temples in the vicinity. The town of Ossia is also known for two other factors, one of which is rail related. From a rail fan's POV, it's quite interesting to know. This town's railway station lies on the Jodhpur-Bikaner railway line, and I could hear honks all night. You know, the track is quite far, it's in that direction. I'm walking on the road towards Bikaner. I could hear the sounds of trains honking throughout the night. The under construction Amritsar Jamnagar expressway passes quite close to this town actually. So when we searched for the route from Rohat to Bikaner last night, one of the options, or should I say the quickest option, was to take the expressway. Even when I checked the map this morning, it showed the same. The expressway is the shortest and the quickest route to Bikaner. So last night one funny incident happened. We were tired, we were beat, we reached this hotel. We wanted to remove our luggage and go in, check in and have a sound sleep. But the boot of the car was not opening. Finally, somehow Hitesh managed to get the boot open. The the hook connecting the D-link was apparently jammed. So it didn't open properly initially, and when it opened, it somehow got jammed in such a way that it doesn't close back again. So that boot is still, you know, it's not fully down, it's still open. So we need to look for a car mechanic to get that thing fixed. The spring is actually working, but the hook that connects to the D-link, it's not moving. So let's see what happens. We need to get that thing resolved before proceeding further. Otherwise, every time there's a speed breaker, the boot will keep jumping up and down. It will become an irritating thing. So we have asked the hotel receptionist. He said the car mechanics will be available this morning. So if someone comes, we'll get that fixed and we'll be on our way to Bikaner. Until then, I just walk around, find a place to drink some chai. Falodi, Jodhpur, Jaipur. Falodi depot. Alright, so here is a small tea shop. The brother seems to be preparing chai. Let's ask. भैया चाय मिल जाएगी? एक कुल्हड़ चाय दे दो. Got my morning dosage. Ma, I'm finally feeling awake. You'll find a lot of these here in these spots. So when I was walking along the road, I saw these arrangements a lot. You know, a small, we call this bandli in Tamil and Kannada. So we'll find a lot of these kind of vessels, or in general just fires, you know, started all along the road where people get warm. Along the way I saw a family of, I think, laborers who had camped somewhere down the road. So they had also started a fire. Even in this morning, I mean, 11-degree temperature is not a joke. You could see the dogs and its puppies huddled together in one small bundle. At a quick glance, one could easily mistake them for garbage. Thankfully, the puppies were moving about here and there and could identify that it was not garbage. This temperature is not easy for everyone to survive. As humans can find some or the other way, but for animals it's very difficult. Cheers to chai. You know, I saw this bus when I was on my way to drink chai. Royal Academy Secondary School, Udramsar, Udramsar. Look at the poster in front of it. Royal Academy of Secondary Education, Udramsar, Bikaner. बीकानेर से उदयपुर ऐतिहासिक स्थलों का शैक्षिक भ्रमण. They have a educational tour of historic places to Udaipur. We had school tours to water parks and wonderlands and those kinds of places. Educational tours, forget out of station, educational tours itself was a big thing back then. If they took us to a science fair, it was the maximum we could ask for. Today in 2023, schools are traveling all the way from, that bus is coming from Bikaner and it's going all the way to Udaipur. Oh my goodness, unbelievable, man. People are doing everything they can to survive the heat. Somebody is sitting by the fire while others are smoking, having chai. Looks like I've come quite far. I didn't realize this when I was on the route. So we have checked out of our room, heading towards some restaurant in search of breakfast. एक तो यहीं पे है जहाँ पे मैंने चाय पी थी, दूसरा देखते हैं अगर वहाँ तुमको नहीं जमता तो कहीं और चले जाएंगे. फाइनली द बोट इशू गॉट रिजॉल्व्ड. हम खुद से कर लिए थे. बहुत इजी था. इतना उस पर डिंडोरा पीट रहे थे, उसको बुलाओ इसको बुलाओ. एक स्क्रू ड्राइवर ने काम कर दिया आखिर में. जय करनी माता. जय करनी माता. वही होगा वो शायद जैन मंदिर या फिर करनी वो क्या है मतलब ओसिया माता मंदिर. यहाँ से तो हम लोग काफ़ी दर्शन करेंगे. ये है वो मंदिर के रूइंस जो पुराने थे. हम लोग को जाना कौन से 8वीं सदी और 12वीं सदी के बीच में बने थे ये मंदिर शायद. कौन से साइड जाना चाहिए भाई? अच्छा लगाओ लेफ्ट में, बताता हूँ. पहले तुम नाश्ता ढूंढो कहीं पे, यहीं पे लगाओ. या फिर सिटी के बाहर ही चल रहे. सिटी के बाहर चलना तो राइट मुड़ो. 169 kilometers to Bikaner, 2 hours 48 minutes. और इसको मार दिए ना गाय को. हाँ. तो जेल है. हवालात की दर्शन करा के आते. बेचारा इतना बड़ा हो के नहीं छूट पा रहा है. हम तो हम तो So we have stopped outside Osia for breakfast. There is not much to have here except for some kachori, samosa.
Hi.
And of course, garma garam chai. Freshly made ginger tea. It's fantastic. The kachori we had last evening in Rohat was with a dal filling. This is an onion kachori. It has a filling of mashed potatoes and onions. Stark difference in contrast. The tangy taste is still there. It's not spicy. It's tangy, but it's really good.
Tangy का reason क्या पता आमचूर.
So they add amchur powder to the filling. So we had a small breakfast of one kachori and a chai. Hitesh put it in a very good way. It had filling, but it was not filling. So that's the summary of the breakfast we had. Most of the people in these parts consume stuff like kachori, samosa, mirchi vada, etc. for breakfast. Not something which we are used to down south, but that's the staple here. We are looking for some restaurant that serves poha, and we have just left from that place where we had breakfast. We have come back towards the city. Hitesh has just gone to the ATM looking for poha serving restaurants on Google. So if we get something, we might have, or we might just proceed ahead towards Bikaner. So this is the Osia restaurant. We came in search of breakfast. It's quite empty. Maybe not many takers for breakfast in this part. मिल रहा है भाई पोहा, चलो इसको ऊपर करो फिर आ जाओ. So round 1 of breakfast was kachori and chai. Round 2 will be poha and chai. हाँ अच्छा कुछ भी खा लो, मेरा क्या जाता है. क्या खाओगे?
मुझे तो कचौड़ी समोसा ही पसंद है.
खा लो. So we have stopped here for breakfast. Breakfast order has been placed.
It's a pure Jain restaurant.
Poha and parathas are available for breakfast. They don't have anything else. We have placed the order with a couple of chais. And I've also informed a friend in Bikaner of our arrival. So Bikaner exploration will be done. Hopefully we'll get to do some train spotting as well. Second round of chai. Interesting. The first round was ginger tea. This is elaichi tea. And on Bangalore, the poha we get tastes slightly different. The uncle who's serving here, he mentioned that they don't prepare and store the poha. They prepare it and serve it fresh.
ना हर जगह ऐसे ही होता है.
तो अभी ये जो पोहा बना है इसमें मुझे वो फ्राइड राइस का टेस्ट आ रहा है. तो यकीन उन्होंने कोई फ्राइड राइस वाला तवा या कढ़ाई उसी में बनाया होगा. It's tasty, not denying it, but it has that slight burnt taste which you would get when you eat fried rice. Mostly they have used the same kadai for this. Paratha is also quite good. Not too spicy, but not too subtle also.
Paratha with achar is better than paratha with this.
I like the combination of all three. Done with breakfast, round 2. Before going to Bikaner, we'll be making a small pit stop at Deshnok, have Karni Mata's darshan and then move on to Bikaner. It's just about 2 hours from here. The distance is about 157 kilometers. First stop Deshnok, later on to Bikaner.
इसमें मेरा भी है, चश्मा निकाल लेना.
किसमें?
मेरा जो मिला.
रुक अभी तो मेरा निकाला है. ले पकड़. That is the railway line from Jodhpur to Bikaner via Osia.
मेरे को रेलवे लाइन दिख ही नहीं रही है.
मेरे को खंबे दिख रहे हैं, ट्रैक नहीं दिखेगी यहाँ पे. खंबे और तार दिख रहे हैं.
अरे थोड़ा तो अबाव लेवल दिखना चाहिए ना।
भाई वो सब एक रेल फैन का नजरिया है, हम रेल फैन है, तुम कॉमन मैन हो।
भूलो मत कि मैं आपके चैनल की बहुत प्रचार कर रहा हूँ कल से।
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। ही इज माई पर्सनल, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, PR, अनपेड PR। जिसको देखो वो बोलता है भाई इसका रेल फैन है, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, इसको सब्सक्राइब करो। कहाँ उधर मावली से शुरू हुआ, मारवाड़ में एक बंदा मिला, वो बोल रहा है वो मेरा फैन है। मैं उसका नाम क्या था, जावेद अली। वो बोल रहा है रेगुलरली मेरा वीडियो देखता है, फैन है मेरा।
जबकि इनको ही पता चला कि मैं रेगुलरली वीडियो ही नहीं डालता हूँ।
भाई ये पूरे साल में 2023 में 4 वीडियो डाले मैंने। वो शायद बहुत पुराने सब्सक्राइबर है वो। 2023 में काम के सिलसिले में ज़्यादा वीडियो एडिट करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं दे पाया।
थोड़ा करो, ये साल के लिए आपको अच्छा मिल जाएगा। ये
वही बस ये व्लॉग से ही शुरू करना पड़ेगा अभी। 2022 के कंटेंट से लेकर के ये सब मिला के थोड़ा करना ही पड़ेगा।
ऐसी रोडों पे ड्राइविंग का मज़ा आता है।
बिल्कुल।
यहाँ पे राजस्थान में स्टेट हाईवेज बहुत ज़्यादा है।
आर्टिरियल हाईवेज इतने हैं नहीं, नेशनल वाले
है, लेकिन मेजर सिटीज़ को कनेक्ट करने के लिए बस।
हियर वी आर दी अमृतसर जामनगर एक्सप्रेसवे। It's not yet complete, but the stretch we are going to take will take us easily to Deshnok in less than 2 hours.
वो ट्रक जा रहा है उसी लाइन में जा रहा है।
हाँ, यहाँ पे कहीं तो लेफ्ट मोड़ना है।
वही दिख रहा है ना, ट्रक जा रहा है।
प्लाजा, यहाँ से हम लोग अमृतसर जामनगर एक्सप्रेसवे को ज्वाइन कर देंगे।
कर दिए,
अभी ज्वाइन नहीं किए, ये एक्सेस है। इसके आगे जाके टर्न मारना पड़ेगा। वो एक्सप्रेसवे है, वो जो ट्रक हमने देखा था वो एक्सप्रेसवे है। ये फलोडी वाला जो है डाइवर्सन है। पूछो इससे। भैया फास्टैग बन जाएगा यहाँ पे? फास्टैग बन जाएगा?
नहीं बन पाएगा
यहाँ और कहीं आगे कहीं कहाँ बन सकता है?
आगे तो अभी यहाँ से चलोगे उतरोगे कहाँ?
देशनोक उतरना है मैं।
देशनोक उतरोगे।
हेलो,
देशनोक में पता कर लेना, बड़ा प्लाजा है।
શેઠ जी फास्टैग बन जाएगा। मारो फास्टैग ब्लॉक में गयो है। हाँ कैश में तो कर दो ला, बट कोई फास्टैग बना वाला है किस जगह मर जाए फास्टैग बना वाला है? आगे टोल मत है कितना है हमें?
कितना लिया इसने?
अपने लिए यहाँ पे टोल नहीं है।
क्यों?
बोलता आगे कटेगा।
अच्छा,
पता नहीं कितना का काटेगा।
दिस इज सरप्राइजिंग, वी डिडंट पे द टोल हियर। अमृतसर 627, लेफ्ट मुड़ोगे तो बीकानेर 132, वो राइट वाले लेन में जाओगे तो वो कॉर्नर में जामनगर 644, पचपदरा 154।
लेफ्ट कैसे?
नहीं, लेफ्ट मतलब लेफ्ट लेन में मेंटेन करो। ये तो डिविएशन दिख रहा है ना तुम्हें, वो आगे जाके वो वहाँ से राइट ले लेगा वो जामनगर वाला। तो हम एकदम से ऑलमोस्ट मिड पॉइंट पे ज्वाइन किए हैं एक्सप्रेसवे को। अमृतसर 627, जामनगर 644। We are on the Amritsar Jamnagar Expressway. We joined it almost at the midpoint, right? When I saw the boards there, it showed almost equal distance both Amritsar and Jamnagar from here. Hanumangarh 349, Sangadia 373, right? And the next deviation for us is about 120 kilometers from here to Deshnok. So now time to स्पीडोमीटर काम नहीं कर रहा है, इट्स शोइंग 0 kmph, बट एक्चुअली वी आर डूइंग 85, 90। आज के सारथी हैं कैप्टन हितेश पटेल।
What do you mean by सारथी?
सारथी मीन्स अ पर्सन हु इज ड्राइविंग। भगवान श्री कृष्ण को पार्थ सारथी बोलते हैं, पता है? Sand on the left side, sand on the right side, expressway in between. It can't get more beautiful than this.
Rajasthan is beautiful, but only in winters.
समर में आकर के फाड़ देते हैं।
Don't dare to come in
समर में आएगा ना, दो चीज़ें हैं, या तो पागल है या तो बहुत डेयरिंग है उसमें।
नहीं, एक और चीज़ है, समर में आप है ना गाड़ी नहीं, एसी कितनी भी ऑन करोगे वो फिर भी अंदर ठंडा नहीं होगा, और टायर्स आपके ख़राब होंगे,
वो तो है,
जल जाएंगे, फूट जाएंगे, कुछ भी हो सकता है। आप ऐसे ड्राइव ही नहीं कर सकते हो।
मानसून में कैसा रहता है टेम्परेचर यहाँ का?
मानसून में ह्यूमिडिटी हाई रहती है, पसीने से भीग जाओगे।
मतलब बारिश का इफेक्ट नहीं रहेगा?
बारिश तो बहुत रहती है, बट जैसे ही नीचे जो ज़मीन है ना, हीट है,
खींच लेती है
पानी खींच लेती है, और वो भाप बन के बाहर आ जाता है।
मतलब विंटर ही एकमात्र ऐसा सीजन है।
अक्टूबर जब विंटर स्टार्टिंग होता है, टेम्परेचर विल बी वेरी गुड। वहाँ सुबह की सर्दी में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और रात की दोपहर की गर्मी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
सही है।
टिल February लास्ट।
So between October and February is the best time, ideal time to visit Rajasthan according to our local expert.
मैं यहाँ का होकर भी यही प्रीफर करता हूँ।
So most of their family members, they visit their village and surrounding areas only during winter vacations. What you're seeing there on either side of the expressway are sand dunes. This expressway has been constructed in the midst of many such dunes. These are not mountains. From the outset they look like small hillocks, but they are not hillocks. They are huge dunes of sand. And this is the beautiful Amritsar Jamnagar expressway. We just stopped in a lay-by, like a small lay-by, to get some good photos.
थोड़े काले पड़ गए हम लोग।
चलेगा। So I've taken over the wheel for some time, mainly because I've never driven on an expressway. Let's see what this wheel can do.
सारे दोस्त यार लग रहे मुझे तो।
या तो एक ही कंपनी के माल लेके जा रहे हैं सब, उसको छोड़ के। These trucks had stopped somewhere here in the middle of the expressway. I think we are about 70 kilometers from Bikaner, maybe around 50 kilometers from Deshnok. We just stopped to get ourselves a cup of tea. Otherwise, this expressway being access controlled, I'm not able to see any shops or restaurants or rest halts somewhere here. चलो, आई एम लिटरली वॉकिंग ऑन सैंड राइट नाउ। पहली बार रेत में बनी हुई एक चाय टपरी में चाय पी रहा हूँ। सो दिस इज अ स्मॉल वर्कशॉप काइंड ऑफ सेटअप। दे हैव जनरेटर फॉर, आई थिंक ये क्या इसका सेटअप है ना, टायर
का और
टायर प्रेशर का। सो seems to be self-sufficient. We have found ourselves a nice calm spot. And that's exactly how we went over the fence to drink tea. 60 more kilometers to Karni Mata Temple, Deshnok. Captain changed,
crew changed.
Sarthi Hitesh Patel साहब back at the wheel.
And this is our palace on wheel.
वैसे कुछ भी खो तो ये palace on wheel ही है. So we have about 60 kilometers to go for Deshnok. be heading to the Karni Mata temple for darshan. From there, we'll head to Bikaner. Bikaner 66, Batinda 392, Amritsar 569. Being an access-controlled expressway, there are not many restaurants on this road, and we have to depend on these smaller tea stalls which are built on the dunes. At the risk of parking our vehicle on an expressway, we have to.
हर जगह
हाँ नहीं, स्पेस की बात नहीं है ना. ये एक तरफ तो बोलते हैं कि एक्सप्रेसवे पे रुकना मना है, पनिशेबल ऑफेंस है ये वो. अगर तुम कोई मतलब कोई रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए कोई एरिया भी नहीं बनाओगे.
किया था ना वहाँ पे.
कहाँ, कितनी दूर पहले? ये ऐसे एक्सप्रेसवेज में हर 50 किलोमीटर में एक रिफ्रेशमेंट एरिया होना चाहिए भाई. चलो ठीक है, चाय पानी के लिए छोड़ दो, उसका कोई इंतजाम हो जाएगा. वॉशरूम फैसिलिटी वो सब कहाँ से लगाएंगे? तो दे हैव सम फैसिलिटी हियर. इट लुक्स लाइक अ रिफ्रेशमेंट फैसिलिटी विद अ हिंट ऑफ राजस्थानी कल्चर. Hopefully they get it up and about quite soon, because otherwise people traveling through this expressway will have to suffer a lot. Take left for Bikaner and Noka. ये सब बंद है भाई, उस तरफ जाओ, वहाँ पे ही बंदा है, उसी के पीछे लगाओ.
भाई साहब ब्लॉक हो गया है. ब्लॉक हो गया है. यहाँ पे कोई फास्टैग बना देगा? आगे कोई है यहाँ पे?
आगे है यहाँ पे.
कहाँ पे आगे?
नीचे टोल आएगा. इधर जाना है आपको.
बीकानेर देशनोक जाना है.
टोल आए ना आगे.
हाँ.
तो बनाता नहीं.
तो अभी क्या हो गया?
पीछे कहाँ से आए थे?
हम लोग ओसियाँ से आए थे.
हैं?
ओसियाँ
ये
से.
रहा.
350.
आगे टोल आएगा क्या? कहाँ पे आएगा?
यहाँ तो नहीं आएगा. आगे बहुत आगे जाओगे ना, बीकानेर साइड बाहर.
So I've taken the exit towards Bikaner. Now the problem is this FASTag is presently invalid because the Paytm KYC verification was not done, and there was no intimation also given, if I'm not wrong, कि KYC नहीं हुआ है. तुमको कोई कॉल या मैसेज आया कुछ?
नहीं.
This is not correct. We didn't check the Paytm balance before beginning this road trip, but once we landed in Marwad, that is before taking up this car, when we checked, we realized that the KYC verification was not done, and hence we had to. लेकिन सिर्फ 2 बार अभी टोल पे हुआ है ना, डबल टोल. एक ये और एक वो कल वहाँ पे.
हाँ. ज़्यादा दिक्कत तो नहीं है वैसे.
हाँ, ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं है, बट अगर ये ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो हमको फिर ये 2 टोल वाली आदत लग जाएगी.
नहीं, कहीं जहाँ मिलेगा फर्स्ट जगह पे लगाएंगे.
In a lot of places in the expressway, we could see boards with distance given to Bikaner, but it's actually the distance to this exit. From here, Bikaner is still about 20-30 kilometers inside. The boards that say Bikaner 35, 40 or whatever, they are all boards that are mentioning the distance to this toll gate, this exit. From here, you need to travel a certain distance more to reach Bikaner. So our first stop right now is Karni Mata temple in Deshnok, after which we will be heading to Bikaner. So that is the railway line from Medta to Bikaner. This line takes you from Bikaner all the way to Medta road, from where it joins the main line coming from Jodhpur towards Jaipur. So that dome you are seeing right there, that is the abode of Sri Karni Mata ji. There is this underpass which passes right beneath the Deshnok railway station. What you are seeing here is the Oichi gantry of Deshnok railway station on the Bikaner Medta section. So we are on the NH62 right now. We'll be taking the underpass and going towards Karni Mata temple. After a quick darshan, we'll head to Bikaner. This NH62 starts in Abohar, Punjab, in Fazilka district, and goes all the way to a place called Pindwada. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation correct. Pindwada. So it apparently passes through 7 districts in Rajasthan and is one of the longest national highways in Rajasthan. passing through Rajasthan and connects 6 district headquarters, of which Bikaner and Jodhpur are 2 prominent ones. And that, my dear friends, is the Karni Mata temple, famous both locally and internationally as the temple of rats because of the significantly huge number of rats that you can find inside. So in 1986, the Kamal Haasan movie Vikram featured a fictional kingdom called Salamia, in which a temple of rats was shown. I think it's the same temple. The temple of rats, in the film it's referred to as Yeli Koil. That is Tamil for temple of rats. I think this is where they shot the Karni Mata temple. This is amazing. So I'll just have a quick darshan and come out. I don't think videography will be allowed inside. Temple of Rats. So after coming inside, we got to know that videography is allowed. We took a receipt for that. It was a very blissful darshan. Took some time, kitna? आधा घंटा लग गया शायद.
Around more than half an hour.
आधा घंटे. It took some time to stand in the queue. So videography is allowed, but with a receipt. बैठ जाओ थोड़ी देर. मंदिर में थोड़ी देर बैठना पड़ता है. It was a wonderful darshan. We spent a lot of time in the line, but at the end it was a wonderful darshan. For those who are coming here, a small bit of information. For mobile camera, you need to pay 30 rupees. For still camera, it's 30 rupees. And if you want to take videos with an action camera like this or with any normal camera, it's 70 rupees. And there is no separate counter for the receipt. You will be getting the receipt once you enter the temple premises.
If you are caught taking pictures,
If you are exactly, I was looking all around for counters. You know, usually हमारे यहाँ होता क्या है, कहीं पे कोई स्पेशल काउंटर बना के बैठे रहते हैं कि ये ले लो. यहाँ पे पकड़े गए तो हमको रसीद मिला. One guy caught us taking a photo and he's like, no, आप ले रहे हो तो रसीद ले लो. मैं कहा okay. At first I was like, give me a 30, and then I said no, give a 70 rupees receipt only. Let's see what happens. But it was worth it. Definitely, it was worth the wait. So let's move, and now it's time to get some lunch, and we need to drive to Bikaner as well.
explore Bikaner.
You will find rats doing everything here, right from drinking milk to eating chana, pretty much everything.
To running over our legs,
To running over our legs, yes.
which is pretty auspicious.
Yeah,
बीच
so
में आएंगे.
it's considered that if the rats run over your legs, they come in contact with your feet, it's considered pretty auspicious. अब पैंट पे तो चढ़ नहीं सकते, उनको पैर के ऊपर ही भागना होता.
नहीं चढ़ सकते वो लोग, कहीं पे भी चढ़ सकते हैं.
So okay, we have come out of the temple. Now it's time to get some lunch. Let's see where we can get lunch. खाना कहाँ है भाई?
यहाँ पे बहुत कॉस्टली वगैरह अच्छा भी नहीं होगा, भीड़ भी ज़्यादा होगा.
ठीक है.